Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 49 from A exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we are asked to find the absolute value of x minus 4 less 1. So this is the question, and even though this is an expression and isn't just x, the rule does not change. You're going to have negative 1 less x minus 4 less 1. And in the previous question, I explained how we got here and what the solution means. So if you haven't looked at that, you can just click up there and go to the next question. So now we are just basically going to finish this inequality, and to do that, using the laws of inequalities, we are allowed to add 4 everywhere. And if we add 4 on this side, we're going to have 3. If we add it in the middle, just going to have x. If we add 4 on the right hand side, we're going to have 5, and that is our final solution.